Hello everyone. Today we solve problem of the day on LeetCode. Problem number is 2540. Problem name is the minimum common value. First of all, we can understand the problem, then we think about the solution. What we have a two array, nums1 and nums2. Both array are the sorted in order. What we can do, we have to find a minimum element in the array that is the common between the both the array. Like we can see in this array we have a one, we don't have a one in this array. That's why we go to the two. Then we check two are there. Then we return the minimum return return the minimum value is common is the 2. That answer is the 2. In this case we have the common value is a 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are common in both the array, but we have to return the minimum value of the array. With minimum value of the minimum common value of the array. Minimum common value is the 2. We have to return 2. That is the output. We have to solve in the uh, n log n highest complexity, not more than that, because the 10 key power 4 are the our length between nums1 and nums2. That's why uh, both are the non-decreasing order. They both are the sorted. How we can do is we can take a first we can take the size of the nums1. Then we take a nums2. Then we have to make a 1 point. What we can do, we solve using the two pointer. How we can take, first of all we can take example, like we can take example of 1 2 3, 1, and then 2, then 3, then 6. That is one array. Second array is a 2, 3, 4, and 5. uh, think about solution. We can, what we can do, we have to make a one pointer are there, second pointer j are there. Then we have to compare if uh, first and nums one I is equal to nums of 2j. If it is not, then we increase that nums of I. Then we can move to that. Then we have to compare both the element. First, if we find out that element, then we have to store in the that value in the our make a any, like me I make a answer value. Then we store the two are there. If we not found throughout the array common value, then we return to -1. Like how uh, uh, if uh, if we don't have any common value, then we have to return -1. Like how code are there, then I can write a size for the nums1, size of the nums2. Then I make a pointer, like you can see with 0, index 0, also index 0, I and j. Then I may make a int answer equal to 0 for the saved answer. Like I make a while loop, I to n and j to m. uh, if any condition is false, then our loops are end. Like if in this, first of all, I make a if condition, if nums I and nums j are equal to, then we save this value to the answer and break the our loop. uh, and if it is not equal to, then we have to, if nums I is less than, then we increase the I, not increase the j are the on the same position. If it is the I is greater, then we increase to j plus plus. Then in this case we have to move throughout the our uh, loop for the length of n and m. If we find out nums element equal to, then we break that and store into the nums. After that, we have to check if nums equal to 0. Initially, we have answer equal to 0, but after that, we check if it is equal to 0, then return -1. If it is changed, then we return that value. If we answer is 2 on that answer, then we check answer not equal to 0. Equal to 0, in this case not equal to 0, then we have to return answer. Its time complexity, we have to one loop. That's why throughout the array. That's why we have time complexity of big of n, and we can't take extra space. That's why we have a space complexity big of n. Let's run the code and check how much test cases is passed. Uh, I can write code. Let's run it. You can see we have a visible two test cases. Both are the pass. Like submit this code. Okay, you can see we have a optimized code, beat 100%, and we also passed all the 41 test cases. Thank you for watching my video, and like, subscribe, and comment on my video. Thank you for watching.